Hi guys, it's Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow and we're having a snow day here in the Pacific Northwest. Also, I've got my Mishibox for February. Let's check her out. Here is the insert. February Mishibox. Always a pretty little full color. Ooh, black heating eye mask. That looks pretty cool. It's a two-step mask. And the heating one, I always used to love those Biore self-heating mud packs back in the day, so I'm excited. Cocoon Pure Mask, clean and shiny skin with silkworm cocoon extract. Fancy. Oh, it's so cute. This little guy, this little squid octopus guy. I love it. Cooling Pore Tightening Mask. Nice. Alright. Take Care Spot Whitening Anti-Wrinkle Double Functional Cosmetic. Alright, let's see what we got here. Skin Watchers Cooling Pore Tightening Mask contains kaolin clay, peppermint oil, and witch hazel extracts to grab excess sebum and dirt to decrease the appearance of your pores. Cool. Exciting. I love this. This little jellyfish is the cutest addition to your skincare routine. Etude House My Beauty Tool Jellyfish Silicone Brush gently and deeply cleanses your pores. Use the top to create a lather and gently exfoliate, and use the bottom to massage your skin. So cute. And then I have the Milky Dress Take Care Spot. Is great for calming pimples and irritated spots using ingredients such as aloe vera, chamomile, and Portulaca Olicracia extract. You guys can look at that right there. Cool. This is a good box. I'm really digging it. Black Heating Eye Mask. Two-step mask that works to maximize benefits. One is a hydrogel mask, moisturizes and minimizes dark circles. And step 2 is a volcanic heating mask. Eye mask gently warms to increase moisture absorption. That is amazing. I can't wait to try it. And of course there was 3: honey, cocoon, or blooming. I got cocoon. 100% natural cellulose to minimize irritation. Let me see. So blooming is for moisturizing, honey is for nourishing, and cocoon is for brightening. Awesome. I love Mishibox. You guys know that. $25.90, and I get all this cool items straight to my door. I love it. I will stick with them. I will leave their details below. As always, give me some comments. What do you guys think? If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I can't wait to see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.